on that. And really, no matter how you heat your home, it is projected to just cost more this winter.
Yeah, so new numbers just out show that if you use natural gas, the government estimates you'll spend nearly $650 just to stay warm.
So that price tag for electric heating is forecasted to be a bit more steep at nearly $1,000. Our recent cold snap isn't helping to keep those numbers down.
Yeah, this morning, our Matt McCutcheon live with the furnace maintenance that you can do right now during this brief warm-up. Hey, Matt.
Good morning, Ben and Julia. This is where a lot of the money goes, right? And a lot of that money could actually go to preventative maintenance to avoid a heftier price tag down the road. Brian with Homesense joins us with more on that. Good morning to you.
Morning.
You've been working around the clock with a cold snap. What is sort of the most common issue you're seeing, and how can we prevent that?
Yeah, when it's cold like it's been, furnaces do fail. And as we talked about in the past, filters is the great place for homeowners to start, something that they can do to try to prevent having to call us. So as you'll see with this home's filter, it's been operating overtime, as a lot of people's furnaces are. And what will happen is the filter will actually start to get pulled into the furnace. And how you'll see that as a homeowner is your thermostat will take longer to get to your set point. So this is something that just to be aware of, that we always talk about.
And that's crucial as well, because when it gets zero, you're saying that's not necessarily what your furnace is set to kind of operate under.
Right. So furnaces are designed to operate sort of some standard deviations from the mean, and 0 degrees is not the average temperature in Indianapolis. And so we see you shouldn't expect it to be at full capacity when it's below 0.
10 seconds real quick. If you have that emergency call, you say, oh, I've got to replace the furnace. How do you avoid being duped?
Yeah. We always say if someone tells you you have to replace, that's a sign that you should take a step back and press time out. Because they really need to be just giving you options, and then you need to be, as a homeowner, in control of if it's time to replace or not.
So those are just the beginning of the tips we're getting here from Homesense. We're going to hop on Facebook Live, take your questions. We know you got them because we're in that cold stretch from last week. Going to continue again coming up here in just a couple of days. So Ben, Julia, a lot to talk about with the furnace.
No doubt about it, Matt. Good tips. We'll hop on Facebook Live to get more. Thank you very much.